everybody, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Today I have two unboxings from Diamond Art Club. Yay! One of them I have been dying for. I've been waiting for it for quite a while now. I ordered it for pre-release in, I don't know, the end of April, beginning of May, and I got it May 5th. So it's been a while. I mean June 5th. I'm sorry, June 5th, not May 5th. So yeah, I am so excited for. The other one I also have been waiting for. Finally came back in stock and I couldn't wait. So we're going to see what one is what. I'm not sure. Oh, and here we go. So this is going to be the World Map by Diamond Art Club. And it is going to be a round with ABs. It is a 59 by 42. So I know other people have done these unboxings since I didn't get them until a lot longer after they had already been released. So, but I just want to show you guys one more time. So this is going to be, like I said, it is a round, so it doesn't have tweezers, but the toolkit does come with the pin, the squishy, two heart-shaped pads of wax, a craft tray, and a multi-placer. And it also has some baggies. I don't really think we need to go through all that. And this is what it's going to look like. I love all the colors. I just think this is going to be really, really pretty done and hung up on the wall. And what better for it to be than Diamond Art Club? Alright. And it does come with opaque paper, and it does seem to fit the whole thing. It looks like it will fit the whole thing. And I'm going to try and get my camera to get in a little bit better for you. Alright, so here we have, check the stickiness of the glue first, and it is really sticky. Canvas is shimmery like always. It's just their canvases are so pretty, and my camera's actually picking up on how shimmery that is. So for once, my camera's cooperating really well with me. You can see how clear the thrill field is, the symbols, all of that. Canvas is soft, and it is already flattening itself out. It is scalloped. The ABs on here are going to be, oh, that's, I've seen people do unboxings, but I haven't ever seen it for myself. Let me get the sticker sheet. It will probably be easier to see. So the ABs are number 1 and 2, and the very last one is also an AB, which is number 41. So normally the ones I received so far, the AB drills have always been the first 1 or 2 symbols. I haven't personally gotten one yet that has it at the very last one as well, so that's kind of cool. So it has 41 colors. Like I said, 3 of those are going to be ABs. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over, and we're going to take a quick look at the drills. I know it's going to be loud. In editing, I'll try and remove it. Okay, so I know these are going to be some of the background colors, because the background colors have a lot of like tan peach colors. So we have 758, 948. We got 5 bags of that, and then we have 754, and there are 3 bags of 754. So again, that's going to give it a lot of depth, kind of like highlighting and shadowing with the different colors of the peaches in there. And I want to see the colors though. So $4.98, and that's a dark red burgundy color. $33.71, $7.20, $5.50. That's a pretty dark purple. It looks really good with that green, which is $7.03, $7.01, $700, $8.14, $3.27, $9.12, $900, $36.07. That's a pretty color too. $9.17. $7.02 has a hitchhiker from his neighbor at $2.08. $3.21, $38.37, and $7.40. Those are going to be really pretty together. Don't mind my nail. My polish chipped, and I was too excited. I already received these yesterday. I was at work until late, and I didn't want to wait any longer to do these. $8.90, $8.23, $7.97, $1.36. That's our first AB. It's a really pretty dark royal blue color with the AB coating. So that's an iridescent coating on top of the drill to make it extra sparkly. And then I have 3012, which we have a drill that kind of didn't quite make it into either bag. 718, 135. That's a really pretty AB right there. It's our second AB. 699, 312, 834, 993. That's a really pretty color too. This is going to be gorgeous. 334, 798, 832, 3608, 124. There's our last AB. It's a really pretty pink AB. 783, 3811, 741, and 3814. Those are just going to be absolutely gorgeous together. I'm going to go ahead and put this away really quick and get started on the next one. Just give me a minute. I'll be right back. I got so excited opening my new ones. I forgot to tell you guys that they do include a little instruction step-by-step booklet that comes with every painting. So don't forget that you get that. I'm not going to go through the toolkit again because it's going to be the same. It's another round and it's going to look exactly like the other one. And to be really honest with you, I really want to see this painting so bad. I have been waiting for this forever, it feels like. And it is my second favorite movie ever made. So I am like beyond excited to look at the canvas and the drills on this one. And we just saw the toolkit, so we don't need to see it again. Alrighty. We're going to get to it. So on this one, I'm actually going to open it here, and then I will pull the canvas out and show you what it is when it comes out. Like I said, I know other people have done unboxings on this one because I was kind of late to the diamond painting game anyway, so I was really late to the Diamond Art Club game, and I missed out on this. So when it came back up for pre-order, I was, I don't even know how to tell you how excited I was, but Lord, I was excited. I couldn't believe I finally was able to get my hands on it. So, can you guys tell what it is by the outside colors? Kinda can already. So, here we go. I feel like the bag's fighting me now because it knows how excited I am. Alright. That's right. It is Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack and Sally. It's called Love at Its Darkest. And like I said, one of my all-time favorite movies. I'm going to take the camera out just a tiny bit so you guys can get it better picture. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness, this is just gorgeous. I mean, absolutely just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful canvas. I did get some sparklers from Tima, and I already know some places I'm gonna switch things up and change it up a little bit just to kind of add something to it. Not that I think it needs anything added to it because it's gorgeous, but just because, you know, just to kind of try and make it my own. And again, it comes with the instruction booklet. And again, we're not going to look into all that. We're going to turn it around. It has 50 colors, 2 ABs, and it's beautiful. It's perfect. Canvas is soft like always. Did come with the opaque paper. I am going to move that because we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at the drills really quick. I want to see these colors. It's going to be really loud. Again, I will try to remove the sound in editing so it's not bothering you guys. Give me one moment. Okay, I'm back. So, as everybody already knows that knows Diamond Art Club, they know about the 310 Life from Mandy Manzano's paintings. This is one of the things I think that makes her paintings so gorgeous is the black outlining really makes all the other colors pop. It makes them come to life in here. You can see all the black outlining around here. That's going to really make those colors come alive. So this is no different. We have the 310 Life right now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5 total 310s. Like I said, I just find that to be one of the things that really makes hers look so good. Her artwork is gorgeous, and that just brings all the colors together. So then we have 3865. Let me bring the camera in a little closer now because now my lighting is acting weird. I had it perfect for that, for the drills earlier. So 3865, 999, 823, 3371, 796, 414, 3799, 318, 132. There's our first AB. That's a gorgeous orange color with the AB coating, and the AB is Aurora Borealis, which is iridescent coating that kind of shines like the northern lights. So I got so excited before that I didn't explain that. I apologize. I start talking really quick too. I talk in cursive when I get excited. I apologize. 321, 797, 415, 333, then we have 413, 814, 606, 334, 3760, 498, 762, 782, 400, 519, 300, 312, 915 has a hitchhiker from his neighbor at 775, 155. He really wanted to be an AB. He was very close, but not quite. 742. And then we have 743, 718, 947, 740, 336, 3811, 3607, 210, 317, 830, 991, 126, there's the other AB, 917, 3608, 3814, 992, 892, 993, 891, And our very last one is $5.98. So I really cannot wait to get started on this one. All these colors are just going to look incredible with each other. So I don't even have words for how excited I am for this one. Anyhow, I really appreciate you guys watching, and if you want to see more videos, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.